GitHub for Beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open github.com in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create one first. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the GitHub homepage. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen, then click on the Your Repositories button. On the Repositories page, click the New button to create a new repository. You'll be asked to enter a repository name, a description, and other optional settings. Once everything is filled out, click the Create Repository button to proceed. After the repository is created, you can add more options like projects by clicking the Projects section from the repositories menu. Then, click on the New Project button to add a new project. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to choose from featured templates or to start from scratch using formats like table, board, or roadmap. Click on the option that best suits your needs. After that, click the Create Project button. You will now be able to enter your first item name and more.